Okay, now you're here because you want to learn how to make money. So, welcome to Money University. I started Money University because I got a bachelor's degree and a master's degree, and I still was broke. Okay, over $78,000 in school loans, and I was still broke. So, I began to teach myself about money and how to invest just by spending $3,000 on a commercial real estate class. That one strategy that I learned in that class, I was able to make over $84,000 on one particular deal. Okay, not to mention a bunch of other deals that I've done. But you have to learn about money. They don't teach us this in school, so you have to get that knowledge elsewhere. And it's not going to fall in your lap, so you have to go seek it elsewhere. So that was the reason why I started Money University. And most people, or pretty much everyone that has money, when I say money, I mean financially stable, meaning that their income or their passive income, money that they don't have to work for, far outweighs their expenses. So that's what I mean by people that have money. So those individuals mostly invest in real estate, stock market, or they have a business. So real estate, stocks, or having a business are the three main ways that people have money, make money, or that have gone to go on to do very, very well financially. So you have to become knowledgeable in one of those three areas or in multiple areas. So here at Money University, I've had experience and have experience in all three, and I'm going to share that experience with you because I used to be a school teacher. I really like teaching. So I figured that it would be very, very, very helpful if I shared this knowledge of what I have with you. I'll see you in class.